Alright, we're back with lesson 3 of the mini course, and in this video you're going to find out how to create your first product using the ShineOn platform. Steps needed, it's only quick. Number 1, you'll need a design, and while I recommend that you go to Fiverr.com, you don't have to, but that's where I go for all my designs. Firstly, you're going to need an idea for a design, and to get ideas I like to go to Etsy. Here we are on Etsy. So if we just type in message card necklace in the right box preferably, and then at the start of message card necklace I would put, say we wanted to design a card for a daughter, we'll just put in a daughter message card necklace, and you can see here lots of ShineOn sellers are already hawking their wares on here. Loads of these cards and designs you might recognise, and a lot of people are doing really good numbers here. You can check this by the number in the brackets here. We've got 600, we've got 4,200, wow, we've got 415, 254. So that's a good indicator of a design that could be popular. Please don't assume that you can just take a design off here with high numbers, upload it, and you'll make loads of money. That's not really how it works. You have to know what you're doing with ads for one thing. There's a lot of different factors. However, you can get a really good idea from Etsy of what kind of designs are popular and how many units they're moving. So let's take this one here, mother and daughter. Okay, so this person, whoever they are, is a player. They've done 36,000 sales, which is a lot of numbers. You can see this card, it's nothing special, it's not an amazing design. It's okay, it gets the message across. That could be one to bear in mind for sure when you're looking for inspiration and ideas. Others down here, let's have a look, 415. 71, see if there's any more, 369, that's got quite small text. You just basically need to look for a design that you can take to a designer and have them redo it if you like. I don't advise straight copying any of these. You might run into hassles when you do that further down the line. You can definitely get a lot of ideas from here as to what kind of thing is working well. A lot of pages here, look, 23 pages of cards. There's one here, 598 sales. It looks like that's from, oh no, it's from a different person, but again, you know, this is just a message card in a box with a design. Working with ShineOn, you're going to design the card, as you know, and that gets put in the box. Got some here. You could happily save this image to your hard drive, then take that to a designer and say, can you make me a nicer one? Or you might have some ideas of how you want the card to look. Maybe you want a different picture at the top here, maybe you want a different type of text or whatever. A good idea might be to save a few ideas to your hard drive or whatever, and then take them all to a designer, ask him to make you some original ones. That's how you would look for an idea in the first place once you've decided on a niche. And then the designs to upload to ShineOn have to be 1000 by 1000 pixels. Just thought I'd let you know that. And then once you have some ideas for a design or multiple designs, you need to go over to Fiverr.com. And for this, I've put some special links in the description of any of the videos in this mini course, and if you just click either of these links, they're going to take you directly to Fiverr.com and a list of sellers who specifically do this kind of thing. Exactly like on Etsy, they've also got the numbers of sales that they've made, so usually the more popular ones are the better ones. That's just how it works. They've got more reviews, more history. People like their work, so they've left them reviews. And that's normally a decent indicator of a designer you might want to use. This guy He does designs starting at $5. So let's have a little look at his. You can click here to see examples of their work, which is always a nice thing to be able to look at. This guy's done quite a few. And if you look over on the right, you can see here that if you were to order a design for $5, you wouldn't receive that design for 4 days. That might not work for you. If you were maybe ordering a lot at once, maybe you're ordering 10 designs, that might work. But for me, usually if I have an idea, I want to get that idea up quick. So if we go to this guy here, he's more expensive. His designs are 10 US, but they only take a day. So you have to weigh up what you want. Would you like a cheaper price, or would you like to get your hands on your design quicker? Let's take a look at his work. You know, they're okay. And again, if you were to take this design, and then you can contact them before you buy, ask them any questions you might have, always handy. You know, ask him, say, if you were to order more designs, would he do you a discount? You can usually haggle with them a bit. And then once you're ready to order a design, just click continue here. I won't continue, obviously, because I don't want to buy a design right now, but you would click here, continue, to check out. You can pay with PayPal or your credit card. And then on the page after this, you would upload this image that you have on your hard drive from earlier, and then write down what you want the designer to do, i.e. change the typeface, change the design at the top, change the colours, etc., etc. Once you do that, your design's in the post, as it were, and 24 hours or so later, you get that design back. And then when you have that design, it's time to upload it to ShineOn. If you don't have an account already, I've put a link to them in the description of this video. So just click there to get to that. When you get to this page, click register and create an account. It's quick and easy, and it's free. And after you register, log in. And this is the ShineOn interface. It's pretty easy to navigate. You got any revenue that you make will be displayed here when you log in. That's the dashboard link at the top. And then if you go to catalog, you'll see all the different types of products that are available to you. All these ones here are okay to use with the message card you had designed. So you've got the Love Knot necklace, Sweetest Heart necklace, Artisan Crafted Cross necklace, etc., etc. There's quite a few. You can just pick one and upload your design. It's really easy. I'm going to take you through that now, and I'm going to, which one am I going to use? I like the Love Knot, wherever that is. Here we go. Create a product. I have a design here. I would never use this, but that's what it looks like. I just looked it up on Google. So here's a design. Imagine that was yours. What you're going to do is drag that design onto here like that, and it will upload it. Wait till this clicks on and stops. And then once you get that box pop up saying continue to product assets, click that. You come through to the next page where they put in the description, and you need to add in a title. So you could put something like that in. A dear wife, I put happy anniversary Love Knot necklace gift set. They've already put a description in for you, which is really handy. You can put in the price that you like, and then a niche. So gift for wife, there you go. Nearly done. What you need now is your Facebook pixel, and I'm going to explain how to do that right now. Now, I'm not going to cover too much about ads here at all, but you do need your pixel. So I'm just quickly in one of my business managers here, and to get your pixel, if you go to business settings and then scroll down to data sources, and then pixels here. And you will see I've got a few in here. If you don't have one, you need to add one. So just click add and it will create one. But say we were using the Hillfields pixel here, I've got this one. And this ID here, this is your pixel. So click it as it says to copy to clipboard. And then we would put that right there, like that. That's the pixel. If you are using Google Ads as well, you could put the pixel ID here. I'm not, so that doesn't matter for now. And we have everything in, and we're ready to create our first product. So we just click publish here, and it will create our product. What happens is it takes typically a few minutes for it to appear live in your account. This is one I created the other day, and we're going to come back here once the product is available. Alright, we're back, and now you'll see that my new product has been added in here. And this is it with everything that we added in. You got your pixel in, so it'll track. And if we want to get the link, this is the last bit if you like. We need to get the link of the product so we know what to promote in Facebook ads. If we right click on the eye and go to copy link address, and then that's the link. That's our link that we're going to send traffic to from Facebook ads. This is what the product looks like. This is the page that you'll be sending potential customers to. ShineOn are really good in the way that they add reviews like this, and everything is in place now. Your new design is uploaded and you have a product and a link to promote.